All right, kids. Oh, we're back. Hey, do you like the new intro? Forces you to buy my app. Buy it. Put some kids through college, myself included. Anyway, this week's thing is a van tour of a van that I only have still pictures of. I don't have any video, but it is freaky deakies. So we're going to do it in voiceover. Here we go. Holy crap, look at this thing. You got to look at the little details, man. That's what counts. Look at the way they've done the... Well, what is it? What the hell is it? Who the hell knows what it is? It's a horse van. You put horses in it because horses need to get out of town occasionally. Look at the way they've painted body color, the wheel arches. There's a bunch of little details on here that are custom. Holy cow, it's cool. Look at that. So this thing was built in Northern Ireland by a company called Annard. Look at those taillights. Oh my God, it's sexy. And the thing in the back, and there's a door, and the license plate's in a different place. Wow, I guess that thing so the horse doesn't fall over when they're drunk. I don't know. I don't know how any of this works. I don't know anything about horses. That's the inside. That's a microwave oven. You could make a bagel in there for the horse. And I guess the horse keeps his beer there. I see those hats that people who ride horses wear. Anyway, this is their website, Annard. And I found some other images of Promaster-based. These are actually their Fiat Ducatos or Citroen jumpers. Look at that. It's in blue. And then this one coming up here. Look at that, what they've done with the grill. That's the Citroen grill. Must be brand new stuff. I don't know how it got in this country. That's one would be based on a man on a Class 6 truck, I assume, for bigger horses. I don't know. What's the horse weigh? Oh, well, that's not very much. You could put that in a Promaster, no sweat. Look at that thing. That's cool. Annard must be the A. I don't know what it means. Sounds Frenchy. So he doesn't have the Citroen grill on this one. Look at that color, though. That's awesome. And all the little details. Look at it's got the thing above, the sleeper above there. And it's I don't know, a hydraulic. Those taillights. Holy cow. And it's got the sport bottom thing for ground clearance. I don't know. I don't know nothing about it. Well, anyway, next time you're in Northern Ireland, pick me up one of these Annards. God, that thing is sexy. The little details. They really put the work in, I assume. And then the horse gets out on the curb. He doesn't even have to step into traffic. All right, well, that was our video for this week. Wasn't that fun? No, not really. See you next week.